Hey guys, this is Andrew at ThirdCoastRC. We're here outside our hobby store today. Here with my friend Tim. Say hi, Tim. We got an original T-Maxx here. They just picked up all original, just run out of gas. We'll put some more gas in it in a minute. This guy is all original. It's got the original wheels on there, the original 2.5 engine, the rotor start, and it's look at that. That is classic old school RC right there. Reminds me of the early 2000s when these first came out, everybody running them. This is just an awesome little truck. Got the rotor start on there, everything original AM Traxxas 27 megahertz radio, original rotor start here. So this is one of the early ones. It's not been messed with, not been changed, and it's still running really good. So we're going to put some gas in it now, and we'll run it up and down the parking lot. Be right back. We've got the gas in it now, so here she comes down the parking lot. Shifting nicely. Running great. Running great, running about 240 temperature, so not too hot. Gonna be squirrely now going through that water there. So there you go, big suspension movement. You know, it's got a big huge suspension movement on here. You know, it's kind of always was a very soft truck, but it's just old school cool. You know, really love these old original T-Maxxes. You can still get the new ones, but just something about these old ones with just that classic look from the early 2000s, just really cool. So check back with us next time, more videos coming all the time. Thank you. Bye.